finishing up our video series on proportional relationships, and the last thing we talk about is scale. And this is actually super useful. It helps with maps, it helps with all sorts of things. And here's an interesting problem that I ran into the other day. My daughter was out of the house, and we need to figure out how tall she was. And I said, well, I can come up with a pretty good approximation because I had this picture of my daughter the other day and myself. So here's what I did. In my picture, I have a ruler here, and it looks like I know my height is 61 inches. And what I did here was I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 centimeters equals 61 inches. So now if I want to find out the height of my daughter, and once again, this is approximate, and you might be saying, whoa, how, Mr. Moore, how come we didn't go all the way down to her feet? Because this is a picture, and her feet are coming out at us. So let's see. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like my daughter is 8.2 centimeters tall in the picture. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna make up a little. I'm gonna say Mr. Omura and kid. So Mr. Omura is 13 centimeters in the picture, and that gives him a total height of 61 inches. His daughter is, oh gosh, I've already forgotten what it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like she's about 8.2 centimeters. And so I want to know how many inches is she. So once again, we are going to use cross product. And if you haven't figured out how to do cross product by now, I don't know what to tell you. Figure it out. Because we continue to use it over and over and over again. So let's see. 61 times 8.2 is 500.2. 500.2. And now I'm going to divide by 13. And so I get 500.2 divided by 13, which gives me a total of x is, let's say x is about 38 point, I'm going to say 0.5, I'm rounding up, inches. So it looks like my daughter is 38 and a half inches. Which is, let's see, a little bit over 3 feet tall. And that is it. I'm going to do another example very quickly. Let's say I had, a cell phone, a picture of a cell phone here, and the length of the cell phone is 5.5 inches, and I'm trying to figure out how big is the width, and I know that in my picture, well, let's see. You know what? Let's just do this properly, eh? Sorry, I should have done this better in the first place. All right, so I'm gonna have my cell phone here. Darn it. Double darn it. Oh no. So let's just say, yeah, I'll just do this all over again. Aha. So this is 5.5 inches. It looks like it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, that's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3. 3 3/8 inches. And that's my scale. And my actual is 5.5 inches. So now I'm going to see how big is it on my scale. It looks like 1 7/8 inch. So how big would it be actually? So once again, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cross multiply. I get 3 3/8 x is equal to 1 7/8 times 5.5, which, let's see what that is. That gives me 3 3/8 x equals 10.3125. I'm going to divide by 3 3/8. Let's see. That is 10.3125 divided by, that gives me this is about 3.1 inches. And that would make sense from our picture. All right, so once again, what you have to do is you have to take the actual scale. The scale gives you two of the values. And then you use the picture to find the last value.